It's the Arctic Cat 650 H1 TRV. TRV is a 2-rider vehicle. They're longer and wider than the stock ATVs, so they can handle 2 people. They're very stable, very comfortable. And for anybody that's interested, they also do a whole lot better in the mud than standard ATVs because they are longer and wider. You don't get stuck in the same ruts that everybody else gets stuck in. It's got the place for your passenger to put their feet, backrest. This one's got the Arctic Cat factory storage wraparound. It's got a windshield, keep the spiders and the cold off. It's got the speed rack system, so any of the doodads and widgets that Arctic Cat sells can be easily mounted. This one's got 517 miles on it. Look at that. Now that's a view. There's a seat for Mama. Nice and comfortable for long, nice rides. It's 4-wheel drive. Flip in and out right there. Fully automatic. Put it in gear and go. Give us a call for details.